Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn off your LENOVO Yoga Slim 7. So to turn off your laptop in a regular way, you have to open the Start menu, then go to Power Options and select Shutdown, and then wait until your device is turned off. And in case you cannot access this menu, you can shut down your device forcefully. All you have to do for that is hold down the power button until the power indicator on it goes off. And this will shut down your PC. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.